This painting was also submitted for the Airbrush competition with the theme Peace. It was a lot of work because so many different small portraits had to be made. Some faces had to be recreated 3 times. I also used AI for this painting to make a reference. Without AI, I would certainly not have been able to get this reference. What follows is still using and developing your own skills and craftsmanship. I learned so many new things from every painting. Again, no prize for this painting, but that does not matter. It is a challenge that forces you more to make something special than that you can decide everything yourself.